I'm very happy to inform Apo nga we are the first to submit the budget. We submitted it, I think yesterday, Wednesday. Yes, November 5. Okay. And we're lauded for that kasi talagang inano namin na we will submit it right away after deliberation and we were able to make it po.
So, ano, inaprobati concern?
Actually, our present budget for this year is 399,911 and 463,098 centavos po. So there's an increase of around 52 million 870 932 and 80 centavos from the previous, which was only around 347 million plus.
So, ano digitikang muna nga pakinggan ng budget para 2026 no? Basically, approve.
Of course, our basic needs po under the office of the mayor, yung sa agriculture, yun ang pinaka na-budgetan po, yung sa health, and also our programs sa DSWD, education.
During budget deliberation, ma'am, hante mo na rigata nga banag arisit ka di idatag budget maniwag ti department.
Okay, met sir. So far, so good. Awan met ti unay ti natapyasan, adapay di gijay na nanayunan. Like for example, this Office of the Vice Mayor, I was asking for an increase sa publication natin because it was one of the recommendations sa current previous recent legislative assessment natin that we should have a publication for our ordinances. So damit digijay nga na inaynayon Apo, and likewise in other departments that needed more budget for some programs, naikandamit Apo.
So madigiti Kim Muntra or Anyaman o madigiti that we legislative body moment.
Met so far Apo ket nagtitinnunos kami met amin for the budget of 2026.
Okay. So LGU Bintarma din na muna nakaipasa ti budget ti Sangguniang Palalawigan for review ni tiya Sangguniang Palalawigan. So mensahe mo padigiti padayo ang pagpanday especially kaniti
yes, I am so thankful that this 13th Sangguniang Bayan, they are very proactive. They are they have the dedication to really do their public service work Apo. Agtutunos kami met amin Apo, and ti isong agkangkang runaan ng agyaman na kadakwada han nga isuti narigat nga naubra deti budget deliberation Apo. And also to our local legislative, our local chief executive also, who also understood the needs of each and every department, and digiti kakailyan tayo Apo nga umasasa kadeti nga budget tayo for this year, for 2026 ket maasahan Apo nga this is for all of you itong budget na to.